So please get all your family along with you. It's a very very clean film. It will cater to kids from 3-year-olds to people of 8 years old. Everybody will love the film. Very happy to collaborate with People Media Factory for the second time. This is my second time working with People Media Factory. Hoping for many more. I'm very thankful to Vishwa sir for believing in us, believing in our ambition, for making such a fantastic film. And this is only possible because of one man, that's Karthik Ghattamneni. He is the director and the DOP of this film. Just because of his wonderful storytelling, we are here today. And I'm also happy to collaborate with AGS Cinemas for the first time, hoping for many more. Aishwarya ji, we miss Archana Garu today over here, but still, thanks for her as well. And that's it. All of you, please come to cinemas on 12th September. Along with your families, along with kids, along with parents, we will entertain you. We will make sure we'll give you goosebumps. And thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. For future, படத்துல இன்னொரு மீனிங் இருக்கு. I hope it'll be delivered at the right time, and that's a small twist in the film. Yeah.
அனுமன் வாழ்த்துக்கள். அனுமன் மூவிக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். அது நல்லா இருந்தது.
He's congratulating you for the success. Yeah.
ஸோ செகண்ட் அனுமனுடைய 2 வரும்னு எதிர்பார்த்தோம். நீங்கள் மிராய் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ மிராயில் வந்து எல்லா லாங்குவேஜ் போட்டீங்க, ஜப்பான் லாங்குவேஜும் போட்டிருக்கீங்களே, என்ன கதை? ஜப்பான்லேயுமா?
Sir, Chinese and Japanese we have for our Indian films. We have a huge market over there. So Hanuman also has been released in China and Japan after the release of the film. So yeah, in second phase of the release, we are also releasing it in China and Japan. Sir.
ராமன் வந்திருக்காரு, கடைசியாக ராமன் வராரு. ராவணன் இல்லாமல் ராமன் வர முடியாது.
Sir, that you'll get to see in the film, sir. It's a small surprise. It's not predominantly about Lord Sri Ram, but yeah, it'll come at the right time and it'll give you the right hype.
Fantasy movie மட்டும் ஏன் வந்து டார்கெட் பண்றீங்க?
Sir, that small kid inside me is still alive, sir. So I like watching fantasy films. I hope and wish for these magnanimous things to happen in real life. It will not happen, no? So I'm trying to do them in films.
ராமன் கடைசியாக வந்தார்ல, ஜெயராம் சார் பேசும்போது. ஸோ அவரு நான் மகேஷ் பாபு லுக்கில் இருக்காரு. மகேஷ் பாபா
ரவுண்டா? காசு சார். இல்லை சார்.
எல்லாம் ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கலாம், அதுமாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கலாமே, அவரே போட்டுருக்கலாமே. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் போட்டிருக்கீங்க, ஜெயராம் சார் போட்டிருக்கீங்க, ஸ்ரேயா இருக்காங்க, முகேஷ் பாபு ஒரு சீன் வர சொல்லி போட்டுருக்கலாம்.
இல்லை சார், ஐ விஷ் பட் நோ, மகேஷ் சார் didn't do this.
இந்த மாதிரி ஃபேண்டசி படங்கள் பண்ணுறதுல what are the difficulties or challenges that you face? Because otherwise you come sing a song, fight, make some comedy, go off normal films. The biggest challenge is changing yourself.
Biggest challenge is VFX, sir. That's the biggest challenge. We're still developing. Indian films also will be on standard of international films in very near future. I am lucky to collaborate with directors like Prashant sir or Karthik sir for this film, who have immense knowledge about filmmaking and about VFX. So we are able to deliver what we have done.
அனுமனுக்கும் மிராய்க்கும் என்ன வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு? ஏன்னா அதுல ஃபேண்டசி, இதுல ஃபேண்டசி. எதுவுமே மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு ஃபேண்டசி பார்த்துட்டா அது நம்ம ரெப்ளிகேட் பண்ண மாட்டோம். இது என்ன வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு?
సార్ మధ్యలో తెలుగు కూడా కలిపి చెప్తా, ఎందుకంటే మీ క్వశ్చన్కి నా దగ్గర ఆన్సర్ ఉంది. సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ డూ అ సేమ్ లవ్ స్టోరీ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ నోబడి విల్ ఆస్క్. ఇఫ్ యూ డూ అ ఫ్యాంటసీ ఫిల్మ్ యూ ట్రై టు రిలేట్ ఇట్ టు ద నియరెస్ట్ ఫ్యాంటసీ ఫిల్మ్ దట్ యూ హవ్ వాచ్డ్. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఫిల్మ్స్ usually they do Spider-Man 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. But this is not the same characters repeating. This is not the same world. These are not the same people that you have watched in Hanuman. Hanuman is a rooted film set up in a fictional town called Anjanadri. This is a film that goes from country to country, and it's predominantly an action adventure, and he is not a superhero. He doesn't have powers in him. Of course, there is not a superhero in the film.
அனுமான் தெலுங்கு படமாக இருந்தால் கூட தமிழ்நாட்டில் நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ்.
Sir, sorry.
அனுமான் தெலுங்கு மாதிரி கூட தமிழ்நாட்டில் நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு மற்ற ஆடியன்ஸ் மற்ற ஸ்டேட்லாம் எந்த மாதிரி ரிசீவ்ஸ் இருந்தது? அனுமான்
ఇక్కడ తమిళనాడా సార్?
ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పాన్స్?
Very happy, sir. It is something that we knew that we were trying to do something great, something big, but we never expected the kind of response we got for Hanuman. It has given us a wider, bigger platform to chase our dreams, and so we are trying to do these films.
Teja Sajja, right here, in front.
Sir, hi.
Hi. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Your film's trailer was very impressive, and there was also a behind-the-scenes video which you guys put out of you training for the film.
Yes, sir.
Phenomenal amount of work.
Thank you, sir.
So we need more details about the regimen that you followed for the stunts of the film, because there are quite some spectacular stunts that have happened. Also about the action choreographer, who I think you got an international choreographer,
Yes.
stunt choreographer. Could you tell us a little more about that?
Sir, this film particularly we wanted to do fast action, not the regular style of action that we watch in our films. The slow motion shots and all will not be there in this film. This is a fast action kind of stunts we have done. We have brought in Kecha Master and Nang Master from Thailand. I personally went to Thailand, Bangkok, and trained over there for almost about 20 days in that fast action. And all the stunts that you're watching on screen are done by me, sir. And there are no body doubles. For the constrained resources that we had, but the dreams were not constrained. Dreams were very big. We wanted to deliver something that looks international, so we had to do it by ourselves. We traveled to Himalayas, we traveled to Sri Lanka, we traveled to Nepal. So all the train action sequences or everything is actually live action. We didn't shoot anything on green mats and try to do extensions to it.
I'm asking this question because I should ideally be asking this question to your producer, but since he's not here, this question is being directed to you. You said that constrained budget. With Vishwa Prasad Garu, I don't think you'll have a constrained budget. A man who spends money, one. And could you give us an idea about the amount of money that's gone into this project? Because he never, he leaves no stone unturned when it comes to making fantasy elements, especially VFX.
Absolutely true, sir. Vishwa sir is a very, very passionate man. He doesn't treat films as a business. It's just passion for him. He's into multiple other avenues and businesses as well. But we as filmmakers, me or director, we had a responsibility on our shoulders. Just because he was ready, we didn't want to push our boundaries. We knew our boundaries very clearly and until where we can stretch. Of course, this is an ambitious attempt even after we've tried to do everything by ourselves or tried to do this. But we needed a man who supported us, who believed in our dream and waited for 2 years patiently. So that's what Vishwa sir has brought to the table. And as I said, to make something so ambitious, we need a person like him. Yes.
Sir, sorry, I still need a number. If you can give me an idea as to the amount of money
Sir,
that's gone into it.
I thought very cleverly I tried to dodge your question, but you still. Number is, I think I can say probably about 25% of what you might think. That's what I can say. We've achieved it in a very good number, sir. And we are all very comfortable today sitting here. Even before the release of the film, I'm very happy that we were able to make Vishwa sir happy even before the release of the film. Yeah.
Sir, நேரடி தமிழ் படத்துல எப்ப நடிக்க போறீங்க?
Sir, I am ready, sir. I'm also meeting directors from Tamil. I have quite a lot of friends who are directors. Ashwath is also a good friend of mine. So I'm searching for scripts, sir. Yeah.
நடிச்சா எந்த டைரக்டர் கூட நடிக்கலாம்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்க? தமிழ் டைரக்டர் கூட இந்த டைரக்டர் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா.
Sir, நிறைய directors இருக்கு sir. From Lokesh sir to Ashwath to everybody. Of course, if there is a chance, I would want to work with all the great directors out there. No, sir.
சார் போன அனுமன்ல எக்ஸ் ஹீரோயின் வரலட்சுமி இருந்தாங்க. இந்த படத்துல எக்ஸ் ஹீரோயின் ஸ்ரேயா இருக்காங்க. அது என்ன ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் நினைக்கிறீங்களா? அவங்க ஃபேனா நீங்க?
I think, sir, it's just a coincidence. I think their Varu Garu has brought luck for us. I wish here Shreya ma'am gets luck for us.
Is it Mirai the weapon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The weapon that I'm holding is called Mirai, sir.
From Rama.
That and all you have to watch in the film, sir. Yeah.
சார் மந்திர கோல் பக்தி இப்படி தான் படம் இருக்கு. அது காரணம் என்ன சார்?
Sorry, sir.
Magical wand related to that only the film is, what is it? Why is it so?
I didn't understand your question, sir.
Magical wand in your hand
Yeah.
and belief is what the movie revolves
Yes.
around. So why is it so? He's asking.
Why is it so? That's the story we have written, sir. That's the idea of the film.
So build a villain.
Huh?
First half social, second half is
No, sir. From the beginning of the film, the moment the film starts, we jump into the story. The film begins with Ashoka Sera. It will be there for probably 4-5 minutes, and then it will come into present. And in present only the film will be happening, the entire film. But from the starting itself, there will be a lot of fantasy. There will be a lot of action happening, and we jump straight into the story. There is no time waste, no nonsense, sir. Comedy irukku sir, konjam comedy irukku sir. This is a little more serious film than Hanuman. This is a more serious film. We jump right into the story from the first scene itself. But in the story, whatever comedy is there, that is there, sir. Yeah. Sir, you don't ask, sir. You're asking story. I understood.
ஓகே இல்லை இல்லை பாகுபலி மாதிரி ஏதாவது பெரிய பிரமாண்ட செட்ஸ் ஏதாவது கரெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா அந்த படத்துக்கு?
No, sir. We just did around 3 sets or so, sir. Rest all are live locations. We went to Bombay. We went to Bangkok, Nepal. We found the locations that we wanted. Whatever was in our mind, we tried to search for real locations like that. That's how we were able to crack it in. Yeah.
Why you are choosing this kind of bhakti sector?
Sir, మొత్తం ట్రైలర్ 3 minutes 10 seconds ఉంది సార్. 3 minutes 10 seconds, so last 10 seconds పట్టుకున్నారు చూడండి సార్ మీరు. బట్ ఎనీవే సార్, అంటే we should be proud of our dharma. We should be proud of our morals. There are great morals in our itihasas, in Ramayana, in Mahabharata, which sadly in school stage we were not taught. Now that we have an opportunity in the minutest way, probably I know 0.1% of the morals that are there. There is an opportunity for me to tell that in a very cool way, in an action adventure format, not preaching, entertaining audience, showing great action episodes. If it is a possibility, why not, sir? Thank you, sir.
அனுமன் முடிஞ்ச உடனே பெரிய ஸ்டுடியோ ஒன்று ஓப்பன் பண்ணீங்க.
யார் சார்?
ஆந்திராவில் ஓப்பன் பண்ணீங்களா தெலுங்கானால? நீங்கள் ஸ்டுடியோ லாஸ்ட்டாக ஏதோ ஓப்பன் பண்ண மாதிரி ஒரு செய்தி தகவல் வந்து அதனால தான் கேட்குறேன்.
Did you open any other studio?
Me?
Yeah.
Sir, I wish I was producer of Hanuman, sir, but no. Unfortunately, producer இன்னொரு இருக்கு சார்.
Are we done? Yes. Thank you.
சார் கருசியான டிவோஷனல் சப்ஜெக்ட் நிறைய நடிக்கிறீங்க. சப்போஸ் உங்க சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்லேருந்து கூப்பிட்டு நல்லா நடிக்கிறீங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது பாலிடிக்ஸில் பதவி தரேன், நம்மளுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கன்னா ஓகேவா?
I'll take a few more years in film, sir, then I will answer this question. Thank you, sir.
சார் இந்த படம் கூட ராமர் பக்தர் தானே சார் நீங்க?
இந்த படம் கூட
ராமர் பக்தனா நடிக்கிறீங்க.
Are you Rama devotee in this film also? You.
No, sir, no, I'm not.
Are we done? Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody, for coming here.
நான் பேசுகிறா அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப உங்களுக்கு பெரிய சப்போர்ட் மிராய்க்கு எப்படி ஆக்ஷன் அட்வென்ச்சர் ஃபேண்டசி எமோஷன் elevation devotion. So there are very few films that will in every in a year there are very few films that will come that you have to only. So please get all your family along with you. It's a very clean film. It will cater to kids from 3-year-olds to people of 8 years old. Everybody will love the film. Very happy to collaborate with People Media Factory for the second time. This is my second time working with People Media Factory. Hoping for many more. I'm very thankful to Vishwa sir for believing in us, believing in our ambition, for making such a fantastic film. And this is only possible because of one man, that's Karthik Ghattamneni. He is the director and the DOP of this film. Just because of his wonderful storytelling, we are here today. And I'm also happy to collaborate with AGS Cinemas for the first time, hoping for many more.